In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down over here to tap on Vibration and Haptics. Use the switcher to turn them on or off, and if you decided to enable them, adjust intensity thanks to those sliders. Or turn on or off all of those options by clicking on the switchers next to them. When you finished, go back and click on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage those two options as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!